Birthday, father of our nation. Students, he was a great person. Why was he called a great person? How could he become the father of our nation? I shall explain you briefly, such that you will also follow his footsteps. Dear students, I studied his autobiography, my experiments with the truth. He wrote, when you study, one thing will strike in your mind. Oh, Gandhi, great person. You can see Gandhi anywhere in the world now also. If he has such kind of qualities, you can become Gandhi. Following his footsteps and all his thoughts, you can become Gandhi. Gandhi, not only that person, any person in the world follows his theory, his principles can become Gandhi. Students here, Gandhiji was born in 1869, the same day, 2nd October 1869, he was born in Porbandar. His father, Karamchand Gandhi. He was popularly known as Kaba Gandhi. His mother was Putli Bai. So, Gandhi was a student like you. He was not very much intelligent. He was like you. He was a common student. He learned, he went to school as you go. He studied there. So, this person observe the society in a different way when he grew up. Students here, actually he married Kasturiba Kapadia. He married Kasturiba. They had actually 5 children. One died. 4 children, Harilal, Manilal, here Devdas, Ramdas. This I said his autobiography. My experiments with truth. We can come to know all these things. This person went to foreign country. Which one? England. There he studied. We see BL. In those days, attorney course he did. Later went to South Africa. In those days, many Indians went there and studied there. He was there for 21 years. He came to know how we were struggling in our country. He wanted to help us. In the last phase, students, freedom struggle 3 phases. First phase, second phase, third phase. Second phase was very horrible. Radicals were there. Violence was there. So he did not like violence. He thought that Britishers were also human beings. We could talk to them. We can make them to understand our problems with the help of fraternity, non-violence, adherence to the truth. So this person did his level best. Non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience, Dandi March, Salt Satyagraha, 400 kilometers he walked to participate in Salt Satyagraha. Quit India movement in 1942. There he did all. Britishers could understand really what he actually meant. They also found that imperialism was wrong, colonialism was wrong. They could understand that they could go to their country and rule that country very much and be happy with their families. Such kind of person he was, my dear students. Very powerful person. What did he say? Do work. Today also we have come to work for few hours, though today is holiday. See, we have to follow his guidance. Whatever you want, all of a sudden it will not fall from the sky. You have to work for it. Come out from lethargy. Come out from laziness. Come out from procrastination. All you should be very active. Though he was very old, you can see his pictures. Though he was very old, he walked very fast. He was known for simplicity. My dear students, he was with foreigners, but he learned what was good in them. You can also with all the people, but only learn good. So he got one letter. In that letter, some people scolded him. So what did he do? He took only the pin. What pin you know? Pin. Remaining papers he threw. Some others asked, why you are taking only the pin? This pin only is useful. That letter is not useful. He wrote letter given to Hitler, Adolf Hitler. In those days he was head of Germany, president. So he asked him, he requested him, you are only the person in the world who can stop Second World War. But Hitler did not listen his words, he did not reply properly. So here what I want to tell you, my dear students, he had that kind of great enthusiasm. He did miracles. How could he do miracles? Adherence to the truth. Today's proverb is, truth is known at last. In the beginning people don't understand you. Later they will understand you at last. They will follow you. What I want to particularly tell you, my dear students, you children, whatever I tell, only little will enter into your mind because you are very active to do some other funny things which will give you some kind of pleasure. Besides that, think somewhat indifferently what sir is saying and how emotionally he is speaking. He wants to express something which is good for us. What is that? Students, hard work. Hard work wins. Therefore, always do hard work. Avoid lethargy. Mainly concentrate in your studies. In course of time, you can also become Gandhi in future. So when you do good things, you can do miracles. You will become a miraculous person. Remember. Thank you.